Hey everybody, it's December 25th, 2018, the first day of the rest of our lives, and I am here with the one, the only, Bud Brown, and today we are doing a spaghetti fest. We're going to be passing out about 180 to 200 spaghetti meals. I got my volunteers over behind us over here. They're carving up and getting ready for this event. We do this every year, and I really enjoy it. It's a win-win for all involved. So come along and have some spaghetti with us. Yay! Spaghetti! Alright. And here are my dedicated volunteers carving up before the spaghetti fest. We're getting ready to dish out about 180, 200 meals down there. Thanks to all my volunteers. Hey, all right. All right, so we got the first batch all loaded up. It's about 100 meals, then we're gonna come back for 80, and then we're gonna get another 20. So McDonald just boxes them all up. They got the spaghetti meals in here, and they got drinks, the Coca-Cola Solos. And there's our intrepid volunteers. And they're going to be passing this all out. They're going to be doing all the work because foreigners are not allowed to work in the Philippines. We're not allowed to work. And they're going to bring us down. We're going to go to Dumaguete because they're coordinating that. Things are starting to come together already. Feeling good about this, especially since I don't have to do any work. All right. Hey, John Cena, that's me. Yeah, I'm John Cena. I've been called worse. I better. We got our first spaghetti casualty. Spaghetti casualty. We lost the spaghetti. Hi, Ate. Careful. Hello. Spaghetti. We dropped our first spaghetti. Being that day. You're very welcome. Walay isa pa yan. Thank you. Bye-bye, Ate. Amping. It's my future wife right there. Oh, she spit on the ground. Make your face. Do it. One more time. Here, come on. Nice. That's gross. You're very flat-nosed.
You have long, sharp nose.
I have long, sharp nose, like
and blue eyes.
And blue eyes, like an eagle. And white teeth? Ah, thank you.
And a monkey ears.
And a monkey ears? Boy! Alright, you're fired. Go home, Yoey. Fat people leave. Just back for ice creams. You guys want ice cream after?
Yay!
Okay, they want ice cream. Alright, we're gonna come back for ice cream. Alright, bud, let's go. Bye-bye. Amping. Ingat. Walay isa pa yan.
Thank you.
Walay isa pa yan. Uh-oh.
Get out of here.
Walay isa pa yan. Mayong Pasko.
Thank you. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Okay, so we're wrapping up here. I'd like to give thanks to all the volunteers who helped out. Leia, Chi-Chi, Junjun, Nikki, Nano, Yui, Bud Brown, everybody who helped. Also thanks to Bill for letting us do 200 meals this year. And again, this is just me passing on that which Dumaguete has given me. Thank you for the past year, the past 5 years actually, in the Philippines. This is Ned. Mayong Pasko. Merry Christmas, everybody, and happy holidays, and happy New Year. Now we're gonna go for ice cream. Catch you later. Walay isa pa yan.
Mr. Brown.
Mayong Pasko. Mayong Pasko. Bye, guy. Bye-bye. Hey, if you consider our work to be of any value, consider supporting us on Patreon. If you're a Patreon, you get a free copy of my ebook, and we do monthly Google Hangouts. So consider doing that, if you would please.